It's Christmas Eve 2025 as I'm recording this voiceover. Happy holidays from Alpha Kilo Warrior and a Merry Christmas. Hopefully you're spending this week with your loved ones. Thank you for spending some time with me watching my presentation. There is no cockpit audio for this presentation. I was attempting to do approaches as a safety pilot with my IFR pal John, but the clouds decided to materialize out of nowhere on this calm December evening over Connecticut. So we are obviously departing runway 20 to the south now and making our way over the I-91 traffic and Route 3 on the Putnam Bridge below. What do you guys think of the presentation without any music? Let me know in the comments below. So about here is where we realized the clouds were at our altitude, and we let Bradley Approach know we are canceling our requested RNAV2 practice approach in Hartford. We turned around, maintained VFR, and John decided to use this time to reset his 90-day night currency of 3 landings to a full stop. I'll time-lapse this part of the video and pick up back over the Putnam Bridge. I took the opportunity on this flight to test some new GoPro settings on my Hero 13 camera. What do you guys think of the outcome of the footage? I will list the settings I used now. Look at that rush hour traffic on Route 2 below. Drop me a comment if you travel this route daily. This is my favorite part of the video, turning base to final approach. Hartford looks so cool. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and very Merry Christmas holiday week. Thanks for gently tapping the like button tonight and sharing the video with your fam. See you on the next video. Have a sparkling day.